Great tips about how to make money online that anyone can use. Discovering how you can make income online is exciting, even if you are a newcomer. Use this video to put yourself in the right direction. You'll then be on the right track to making a good income online. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Write for revenue sharing sites like InfoBarrel or Squidoo. You can write about your favorite subjects and split the revenue that comes in. They also have affiliate opportunities with Amazon, making it potentially even more lucrative. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions, however, a non-profit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. If you're unsure where to begin, generating an online income can be really tough. Do the smart thing and learn all you can from experienced players. Put these tips to use to earn money legitimately online. Student loan.